Good evening. So far, we have completed a Python programming classes last week onwards, and three modules we have completed. And today we are going to see in Python collections arrays we have completed, and now we are moving to next concept in Python collection sets, tuples, list, dictionaries. We have completed arrays concept, and now I am moving to next concept is write a Python program for Python sets. So next concept is tuples. We are using tuples. So tuple is a Python collection. In this tuple, we are using a parenthesis. Within the parenthesis, we are declaring number of elements, items, etc. Then we are printing that items of the tuple. So now I am going to execute tuples concept. Please try to see here. So in the tuples, what we are going to do, just we are going to see the Python software, that is CMD. So clear the screen. So once clear the screen, we are moving to Python interactive mode. This is called Python interactive mode. Python can be executed in two ways. One is interactive mode. So what is the command we are using, Shankar? Import os dot system of, so os dot system of CLS. We are clearing the screen. Now I am executing a tuples concept. So you need to declare like this: tuples is a variable name. Okay. So we are using here, see, this tuple equal to parenthesis begin blue, red, green. Now I am printing this one, this tuple. See here, the spelling I have typing mistake, this tuple. See, now immediately it is printing. So if you want to see the how it is working, this command, okay, so you need to use like this. So this is called so this tuple, or you can use like this, print this tuple, like this. See now, so here we are printing the tuples concept. Then we are moving to next. If you want to see this tuple, see this tuple of, okay, this tuple of 0. It can see now in 0th position what is there, blue. This tuple 1th position what is there, red. So this tuple 2nd place means 3rd item, green. Like this you can retrieve the elements in this tuple. Next moving to next concept. Okay, next concept is Python sets. So sets uses flower braces, remaining everything is same as tuples concept. So this set equal to flower brace begin apple, potato, candy. Print this set. So now I would like to print okay, sets concept. Sets are the collection of items. See here, so this set So if you want to print this set, you can type like this. It will print all the items which we have highlighted in this set: apple, potato, candy. Now if you want to see the this set, okay, square bracket begin, 0th position. See, it is not working because sets can allow duplicate elements, and it cannot accessed by the index. So that is the drawback of this set. You cannot access index of each item in the sets. That's why uh, uh, sets are different than tuples. And there are five important Python collections. Arrays we have completed, tuples we have completed, and sets we are completing now. And we can move next concept, dictionaries. So dictionary is a Python collection, and it is arranged with the help of key value pair. Key means name, value means Charles. Name 1 Jackson, name 2 name 1 Jackson. Name 1 is a key, Jackson is a value. Name 2 is a key, and Dr. Asadi is a value. Now I am arranging, see, now I am performing dictionary concept. Once you need to clear this, import os dot system of CLS. So now I am performing this set. Previous one it is coming. Now see, so you need to this dictionary. So now you type this dictionary. If you type like this, name is a key, Charles is a value. Name colon Charles, name 1 colon Jackson, name 2 colon Dr. Asadi. Okay, so this is the way we can perform dictionary concept. So far we have completed. Okay, so Python arrays last class we have completed, and Python list. Now we can see the Python list. This is called Python list. Okay, so now list is a collection of items within the square bracket. Okay, list is a collection of. So now see here, list, this list. So list is a collection of items within the square bracket. This list, if you want to perform, see here, this list of index 0, can we retrieve the elements? Yes. This list 1, first index position, date. This list 2, we are accessing the time. So likewise we are performing list concepts. So far we have completed from last class onwards arrays. Arrays are a collection of homogeneous elements and shared by the common name called people, and a few elements are based on index positions we are accessing. List also collection of items within the square bracket, and a list can allow the duplicate values, whereas arrays cannot allow the duplicate values. Then Python tuples, within the parenthesis we are accessing the elements, and then Python sets within the flower braces or curly braces we are using, and we are performing, and dictionaries we are performing key value pair concept. So with this one I am closing this today's class.